We talked earlier in the segment about Think and Grow Rich, which is a book that Napoleon Hill wrote, and many have read it or heard about it. But it's not just about getting rich. It really is about creating an abundant life and having goals and having something, believing in higher consciousness and super consciousness and writing things down. What was it that resonated with that book? And how did you apply that in these things that you've just been telling us about for the last segment here? How did that play into some of your success? The thinking, the skills, etc.
Well, knowing what you want, having that chief passion and desire for a realizable goal, that you can conceive a goal in your mind and you believe it. So it's a realizable goal. The moment you don't believe it, you can't do it, you won't try, you won't even start. But once you conceive it in your idea, having the largest retail furniture and appliance store in Calgary, that was my goal. And believing it, that we could do it because we had evidence. We could write $1 million worth of business in a month, and we didn't have to look back. Conceiving it, believing it, and then achieving it. But having a chief definite aim, knowing what you want, why you want it, when you want it, where you want it, who's going to help you get it, and how to get it. Then you look at what are all the different ways how do I get it, and knowing those answers to those 6 questions, and that's what Napoleon Hill talked about. I have 6 trusted serving men. They taught me all I know. Their name is what and where and how and why and who. So that's the poem that Rudyard Kipling had come up with. That's pretty much answers any question that you have of life or business. Just address it with Kipling's poem of who and what do you want, and it goes back to not junior achievement, but it goes back to Napoleon Hill, having a chief definite purpose, a chief definite aim. And one of the things that kept going for us, because we ran into lots of it, was with every adversity lies a seed of equal or greater benefit. And we hit lots of negative patches of road, knowing that we're learning some lessons here that we need to overcome, and overcoming the adversity in part of the lessons that you're talking about in Think and Grow Rich.
Hi, Steve Rodgers here. If you'd like to receive more episodes from industry leaders that will give you practical, actionable, and soulful insights to help you in your business and your life, click on the link below for the Alchemy of Business show and subscribe. Thanks.